Right, we're looking at this from on the path. Like,
It was a bit of a fright actually. We
Aye.
were soon it just jumped out in such a squawk, didn't it?
oh, the deer. You
Carried
couldn't
in the
even see
background.
it. It looks like a flimsy nest.
Ah, it's in the background.
Aye. It's got mental.
It just looks like some old bits of pigeon or something.
It does look like a pigeon's nest. Right? We had to look twice at it, you know. But
There's a deer, isn't it?
apparently the deer jumped off. See if I can get the camera above it on the tripod and get a good look
It'll
in.
be quick, like, because it's going to be wanting to get back. So
Aye, it's a bit agitated. It's gone mental. Can't even get up this tree.
Quickly hang it on.
Aye.
See, if you couldn't, I would have probably got that little extra couple of inches.
Right, I've just pressed record there. I've got the camera on the top of the tripod and I'm just gonna lift it up from the tree.
Can you see it on
there?
I've got a glimpse. I think it looks like there's a good 5, what I can see.
At least 5, isn't it?
Trying to look at the little monitor from like a couple of meters away. A good 5, isn't it?
Aye.
Oh, I'm happy. When you look at them, they look now outside a few twigs, but they're quite deep, aren't they?
It's a deep nest, huh? And even though I couldn't see the bird on it.
I'll let it get back because
it's a nice one. Oh, we've got the heat up there. It's back into the hole.
see, and it looked decent size, didn't it?
Aye.
Alright, see. I don't know when he's here, like, we'll probably see when we get back to school.
Aye.